All right, guys. I don't know if this is going to work, but this is really starting to aggravate me. I hope you guys make it back in the room. Unbelievable how crappy. Unbelievable how crappy YouTube is being right now. I literally cannot believe it. Guys, again, I apologize. I have no idea what the hell is going on. It's like YouTube is trying to screw me over right now. Never have I had this much issue. Does YouTube not want people to know that the price is going to go down more? Who knows? But anyways, guys, one more time, I apologize. Please smash that like button. I am getting totally screwed over by YouTube right now. Let's look at the 4-hour chart, see what's going on. I do think that, where are we at? So, let's go into, this was the chart from this morning. As you can see right now, it does look like we were getting rejected at the 8 EMA, which is right around the 35,100 range. Does look like we're getting rejected here. Guys, please stick it to YouTube by smashing that like button. They keep canceling my videos right in the middle of the streams, which is so annoying. And I apologize if I seem frustrated, but it is very frustrating. I'm totally... And they keep turning my monetization off. And when I turn it on, that seems to be when they kill the video. So anyways, I think if we do go up any higher here, I would expect a rejection somewhere in the 35.3 to 35.5 range, depending on how long it would take if we do get up to this range. But I wouldn't expect us to go much higher than that. And if we look at the 4-hour RSI, if we take a look at these last two highs right here in the RSI. Now, again, we have 50 minutes to close. So if we get a big spike up, it could invalidate this. But let's put another trend line from this peak to this peak. We'll thicken that up so you can see it. And we're getting, again, this isn't closed yet. This is the 4-hour. But we are getting hidden bearish divergence, which is higher highs in the RSI, lower highs in the price action. So be careful there. Can you guys see me? I don't know if this is even... Okay, sorry about that, guys. This is frustrating. Now I'm all over the place on where I'm at. All right, thanks, guys. I appreciate it. All right, will you please one more time go down and smash that like? If it cuts out again, guys, I'm going to have to cut the stream. But hopefully it stays on. Again, they keep turning my monetization off. Whatever, YouTube. Anyways, you guys know the bigger picture. Let's see how this daily close is. This daily close is going to be huge. Like I said, let's go into the RSI there. If we look at this trend line in the RSI, if we close below that, it's just another drop down, and that could be a pretty severe, pretty ugly drop down over the next week or so. Fuck. YouTube is not receiving enough. YouTube sucks, guys. YouTube sucks. I have no idea what's going on with YouTube, guys, but I'm going to probably have to get off here. They're pissing me off. Yeah, I know you can see me, but this I am getting tons of errors and all kinds of crap. Literally, YouTube needs a competitor that kicks their ass, man. These guys suck so bad. All right, if it does it again, guys, I'm out. I'm not gonna deal with this crap no more. I don't even know where I haven't talked about yet. This is huge. This is huge. Keep an eye on this for the daily, guys. I'll try to keep you up to date on Twitter too if YouTube screws me again. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at CryptoSavvy1. If you guys are interested in trading where you don't have to hope and pray the price goes up, you can make money whether it goes up or down. Check out Prime XBT, my favorite exchange. They don't trade against you. You can use my promo code Savvy50. That'll get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus. Savvy25 will get you 25% off your fees. Definitely check them out. By far, again, my favorite exchange. They don't trade against you like the other exchanges. Also, check out my wife's webpage. There's a link down below, inkyyourimage.com. Yeah, guys, check it out. Can I confirm my RSI settings? Yes, my RSI settings are just default. It is on 14. It's not lagging. Okay. Same thing for this. Is still my target for Ethereum, guys. Right now in the 4-hour, Ethereum is doing nothing but getting rejected at the EMAs here. I still think we'll see a $1,000 to $1,300 Ethereum. And if we look at Ethereum, put a trend line across here, lower highs, and we're getting higher highs right here on the 4 hours. So hidden bearish divergence all over the board. Litecoin. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin, no. Oh, this is the daily. Let's go into the 4 hour. Same thing with Litecoin, guys. It looks weak, extremely weak. This is still 100% what I believe we're looking at. But again, you know, this A wave does not have to happen. If traditional markets crash, there's huge bearish divergence all over the place here in the Dow on the weekly. Gold is absolutely hideous. Silver, same thing, garbage. Everything comes down, and let's take a look at something. I know everybody is super bearish on the dollar because of inflation. Look at what the Feds did. They went in, they bought a bunch of stocks, they bought a bunch of assets to hold the market up, right? They will be selling into the dollar. All that stuff crashes, the dollar rises. That's what happens every single time. And I'm going to show you that. Let's go into the daily. Well, we don't have to. We can go in the weekly on the Dow. Here's the 2008 crash, guys. 55 points. The Dow crashed in 2008. Actually, yeah, 55 points in 2008. Let me get that right. So that's 2008 to 2009. Huge crash, 55%. Let's look at what the dollar did. For those of you that have not seen this, they always say buy the fear when there's FUD into Bitcoin, right? Well, there's FUD in the dollar. Look at 2008. The dollar rose 26%. What did gold do? It's 61%. Everything fell except the dollar. That is how the big players play the game, guys. When the markets are going to crash, they see you, or you see the commercials, buy gold, buy silver, hedge, buy gold, buy silver, hedge, get out of the dollar, hedge against the dollar. The dollar rises because all the big boys and the smart money go into the dollar. The dollar rises, everything else gets pulled down, and then when it's down, they get back out of the dollar, get back into the assets, ride them assets up, and they do it all over again. All the news, all the Bitcoin news, all the everything is to get you to put your money where they want you to put your money so they can get your money. It's a simple game, but no one gets it. You got the guys that don't believe in analysis, trying to act like, you know, they know what's going on because the news says. Guys, that news means absolutely nothing. The news is like a lagging indicator. The market will move before you hear about the news, because then everybody looks for whatever the cause was. But anyways, like this here, we made this chart, drew this line in on March 24th. You can go back and check the video. And what happened? Exactly what we'd said. We were at about 58,000. Said the top would be about 63, 64, and then come down, the Wyckoff method. And now everybody's talking about the Wyckoff method. Well, we called it first on March 24th, video proof. And this I drew in here when we made wave 2. I was looking at this as a possible ABC. As for a bullish case, if we got our bounce here at 41.7, which we did not, we blew right through it. And then we had our wave 3 right here at 30,500. It went a little below, and that was simple to get. For those of you that were wondering how we got that, if you take the Fibonacci retracement level or retracement tool, or I'm sorry, the Fibonacci extension, you start right here at the beginning of wave 1, go down to the bottom of wave 1, and this is what we did. You can go back and look at the videos. I don't know why this isn't working either. Is the internet just totally screwed up, or is it me? What the hell is going on? So that's how we got it. You can see that's the 1.618. Usually where 3 wave goes. That's why we had our target there. And then 4 up here, which would have been the 1-to-1 extension. And I believe that we're coming down in this area for 5. If we look at the bigger picture with the bigger Fibonacci retracements on it, somewhere in here, I do have the chart. Where is it? Right here. We are back in the green area, the range area. If we close a daily before this or below this 35,350, I think we could be definitely headed towards our 25 to 27,000, which is the golden pocket zone between the 0.65 and 0.618. I expect at least a bounce there. It doesn't mean it has to hold and we start the B wave at that point. We could still come back down and break this and come down to that 23,000 range, somewhere in there.